So the video you're about to watch is actually part of a bigger course which is called ClickUp Fundamentals Mastery that I recorded to help you set up ClickUp for your company. You can find the link in the description below to learn more about it, and I hope you also enjoy the concept that I'm about to share with you in this video. Now, what I want you to keep in mind is that the 5 levels of hierarchy, or especially the 3 levels, which are lists, folders, and spaces that we reviewed with you yesterday, will be extremely important. And the way it works as you think about ClickUp hierarchy is as if it's waterfall. So basically at the top of the hierarchy, you have your space, right? And then in the middle of the waterfall, you have your folder. At the bottom of the waterfall, you have your list. Inside the list, obviously, you have all the tasks. But the way the 3 main settings work, I mentioned these are going to be the statuses, custom fields, and views, is if they apply to your ClickUp spaces, folders, and lists just as in the waterfall. What it means is if you're applying your statuses on the space level, right, that thing is going to apply to all the folders and lists underneath that space. So on the left hand side, you can see over here, if I were to set up my statuses on the space level, this statuses will apply to all the folders, lists, and tasks inside those lists, inside that space. Now, if I wanted to change and set up statuses on my folder level, I could do this as well. And this way, as in the waterfall, the settings are going to apply to all the lists inside that folder, right? So if I were to set this up on the hiring and onboarding folder level over here, the statuses would apply to job openings and applications list, or I should say tasks in this example. If I wanted to set it up, if we go back to the visual, if I wanted to set it up at the very bottom on the list level, this way I can keep it very flexible and I can set up statuses, custom fields, and views just for a very specific list. So it doesn't actually impact any other list or any other folder. And again, it keeps your structure very, very clean. So if I were to go here, and if I were to set up statuses on the admin task list level, right, that would only apply to that admin task list level. The same applies with the custom fields and with the views.